Let's talk about how to use the Novuskin app. Your first step is to download the app from the Apple or Android App Store. Once you have your home screen here, and you can click Book Now, Shop, Contact Us, or VIP Rewards. Let's start with Book Now. If you haven't done so already, you want to create an account. Create an account that is associated with your Novuskin membership. That way, all of your information is automatically updated here, and you can view all your past and upcoming appointments. Now let me show you how to view your treatment plan. When you want to view your treatment plan, first click Book Now. Once you're in this screen, if you have an upcoming appointment, you're going to have a section right here that says Form Submission. Sometimes it will say Form Submission Required if you haven't filled it out. Once I'm in this section, I'm going to go ahead and click in the very top hand corner in the left. It says Treatment Plan Year 1. This is your treatment plan, and now you know which appointment you have next. Take a look at your upcoming appointments. You can easily quick book, you can purchase gift cards, or you can book your face or body treatments. Press VIP face treatments. Let's click Aqua Pure, select a med spa. We're gonna click our location, and we wanna view some more, so let's look at more appointments, because it's going to automatically show you the first upcoming appointment. If you click that calendar menu in the right hand corner, it's going to show you a full calendar. Pink days are not available, green days are available. We're going to click our appointment, and it will take us to this next screen where we are going to finalize everything. Once you are here, it shows that your total invoice amount is $0. You're going to click Book Reservation, and it will book that appointment for you. If you click Appointments, it's going to show you your upcoming appointments and all past appointments. If you would like to easily rebook an appointment, you can just click that there and do so on this page. Appointments. And these are your upcoming appointments. You can click the 3 dots in the right-hand corner, and you can click Reschedule or Cancel. Just give us a reason why, press Done, Submit, and you are all set. In the right-hand corner, you have your Novuskin Go settings. Here, you can automatically self-check-in, or you can click to auto-pay. If you want to see how it works, you just click that button here, and it will give you a step-by-step. If you click that hamburger menu again, you can also see your account details. This is where you can set up if you want to get some SMS or email notifications from us. You can also take a look at your membership here, and you can view all of your details. This is where you can see how many more treatments you have left, as well as your body or skin analysis. Now let's click that hamburger menu again. Click Refer a Friend. If you want to refer a friend, you can do so here. All you have to do is click this share button and click messages, and you will just easily be able to send a text message to your friend. And this is how you can earn $10 for every friend you refer, and they'll get $150 to use towards a first-time visitor facial. Once they go in and get their facial, the $10 will automatically be added into your account, and you can press View Your Rewards right here to see all of the rewards that you have. If you go back to home, you can purchase Sea Treasure products by pressing Shop. And this is where you can buy your Sea Treasure products online. Just don't forget to use your VIP 50 code at checkout to receive half off. You can also come back over to VIP Rewards. And if you want to participate in any of these other programs, you can. These change regularly, so always check back. That covers everything on how to use the app. Thank you guys so much for watching.